Hi guys, this is Miss Hart-Townsley, and I know we're only about a week into school, but I've had a few issues with submitting assignments with our Evernote notebooks, and so I wanted to make sure to show you, just give you another way to see this. And so if you can see here, I'm logged into my Evernote account. I've got my notebooks listed by clicking on this notebook icon. It's the second to the bottom, and so this gives me a list of all my notebooks. You would only have one notebook, one or two notebooks, maybe your first notebook and the one you created for class. But what I want to show you is how you can submit your assignments one more time. Okay, so I'm just going to pick one of my notebooks, and I'll pick my A&P notebook. And let's go to, hopefully everyone has already shared their notebook with me. If not, just go to the information icon, modify the sharing, and then make it public, so you can publish this to create a public link, and then just share that public link with me, and that will give me access to your notebook. But let's say everybody's already shared, and so then it's time to turn in an assignment. So we go to the plus sign over here on the left, and we title our note with our assignment. So this needs to be called or given the assignment name. So it could be 1.01 Chemistry and You, or 1.01 Scientific Method. Okay, but make sure that you give it a name. All right, then what you can see is you have lots of tools. Once you put your cursor into the field where it says drag files here, or just start typing, you get lots of options. You can attach a link, or insert a link, attach a file, or pull something directly from Google Drive. All right, the problem that I'm running into are students attaching Google Drive files that I do not have access to. Okay, and so if you do use Google Drive, which I do, just make sure that you've ensured that anyone with the link has access. You can do that with the sharing settings. All right, you can also use the note as a word processor. So if you are just typing a paper, you can just put it right into the note. So this word processor is just as good as Microsoft Word. All right, and when I say that, it means I've got some formatting, I've got some bulleting, I've got paragraphing, I can put in tables, right, underline, I can do all kinds of stuff. And so anything that you would need to do in class, you could do in Evernote. But let's say that you've given the note the assignment name, you've completed the assignment, whether you attached it, linked it, or typed it into the field. Then you will go over to the share button in the upper right hand corner and get the specific note link. This link is what you are going to share or going to submit in Connexus. Okay, it says share URL, copy that link. Okay, it says it's been copied to the clipboard, and then you go into your Connexus account in order to share it, or upload it. Okay, and so hopefully this helps, guys. If you have any further questions on how to submit assignments, okay, 2 reminders. If you link a Google document, make sure the sharing settings have been selected so that anybody can view it. And otherwise, you can use the Evernote notes as word processors and just type it right there in the note. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.